Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. First, locate the ignition button, typically hidden under a red cover in the center console. Press the brake pedal firmly with your right foot. Then, flip up the red cover and press the start button to awaken the powerful V12 engine. Familiarize yourself with the various driving modes, like Strada, Sport, Corsa, and Ego, which adjust the car's performance characteristics. The Aventador SVJ uses paddle shifters for its ISR transmission. To shift up, pull the right paddle behind the steering wheel. For downshifts, pull the left paddle. Remember, this is not an automatic. You control every gear change. Apply throttle smoothly and progressively, especially when exiting corners, to manage the immense power and avoid wheel spin. Practice makes perfect with this high-performance machine. Effective braking is crucial in a car with this much power. Apply firm, progressive pressure to the brake pedal well before a turn. Downshift through the gears as you slow, allowing the engine to assist in braking. As you enter the corner, maintain a smooth and controlled steering input. Look through the turn to your exit point, gradually applying throttle as you straighten the wheel. For advanced driving, learn to trust the SVJ's sophisticated traction and stability control systems, but always respect the car's limits. Regular maintenance is key. Always check tire pressures and fluid levels before any spirited drive. Remember to check the description for a link to a great book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other deals. Enjoy the incredible experience of driving this automotive masterpiece responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.